Right, here's the Tardis. It says Tardis. I don't know. Don't mind the cardboard pile behind them, please. 2 refrigerator boxes. The tops are actually TV boxes that were cut down. The lights on top are peanut butter jars. The lids have been strapped in and the tops actually screw out, and there's holes through the top to provide wiring for lighting. Fronts are clear windows. Sides are painted. There was originally going to be cardboard lattice work, but there was enough work without the lattice. So, doors open inwardly. We have console, and this actually folds down so that the cardboard can be folded up and stored away. It's the first one. This is the second. You can see we went without the printing. But again, it folds. There's a piece of cardboard there. Tucks in. Let's run wrap. And it pulls shut. And there you go.